Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, an unknown network error has occurred. So if you see this error on your Instagram, so how you can fix it? So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So mostly it's just caused by your internet connection, so just check your internet. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. So after you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.